Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Cooking Station Around the Kitchen. I hope you all are doing really good. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all three leftover rice recipes which are really easy to make and at the same time they are very delicious. And I tried to make three different recipes. These are totally different to each other. So yeah, let's start with the first one. Whenever we talk about the leftover rice, the first recipe which comes in our mind is the jeera rice. So yeah, first recipe I'm going to make the jeera rice, and I'm going to add a little twist in it. So first what I'm doing here, I just added about 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you want, you can use the oil, and we just need to heat it up properly. Then I'm going to add some jeera here, and here I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of jeera because much more jeera give the better taste to jeera rice. After that I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and the same amount of raisins. This is the twist, and this twist give the best taste to the jeera rice. Trust me, if you will make it once, now you will make it again and again. Trust me. We have to just roast it for couple of seconds, approx 30 to 40 seconds. Then I'm going to add the boiled rice, and these are the leftover rice. Basically I'm making this recipe in the morning, and these are the rice from the last night. So yeah, these are the leftover. If you want, you can use the fresh rice as well. Then I'm going to add some black pepper to it, and I'm going to squeeze the lemon here. If you don't like taste of lemon, you can totally skip it. So yes, we have to mix it and make sure just turn off the heat. We don't have to heat it up more. So yeah, when everything is sauteed properly, we just have to turn off the heat and mix it properly. Just cover it with the lid before serving, approx 4 to 5 minutes before serving, so that it gives you more flavor of cumin seeds and everything. So yeah, the first recipe is ready, and you can have it like with curd or even with dal. I'm going to have this recipe jeera rice with dal, and trust me, try it in this way, you will surely love this recipe. This is like my most favorite recipe it is. So yeah, jeera rice with little twist like raisins and kasuri methi is ready. So next I'm going to make is the curd rice. I think it's favorite for many of us. So let's start making the curd rice. Here I have taken approx 1 cup of rice. These are also leftover rice. It's not the recent boiled one. This is the leftover one. I have added about half cup of curd here, and next I'm going to add some milk. I'm adding little more curd here because I felt like it's bit thick. So you can adjust the consistency. If you like more thick, you can. Otherwise, you can totally adjust the consistency. Next, I'm going to add the milk. Here, if you want, you can add the milk up. If you don't like flavor of milk, you can add water. I'm using here milk, and yeah, then salt to taste. And we'll just mix it properly. Now we will start making the tadka for it, like tempering one. So yes, here I have taken this small tadka pan I have. So here I'm using oil for making the tadka, and uh, ghee, like one teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee, you can say. If you don't like ghee or oil, you can totally adjust it. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of urad dal, white urad dal, and the same amount of chana dal. We have to crackle it for about 30 to 40 seconds. When it comes to brown color, then we will add extra ingredients. So first I will add some red chili. These are the homemade red chili. I dried the green chili, and then I'll add some this mustard seeds. And if you like jeera, you can also add that too, but I don't like the flavor, so I just skip that. Next I'll add some that what say curry leaves and these are the dried one. If you like, you can use the fresh one also. Then I added some green chili and some coriander leaves. Coriander leaves, when you add into oil, it gives the extra flavor, so I just prefer to add in the oil. Then I'll just transfer all the tempering in the curd. That's it. We don't have to heat it up because if you heat the curd, it will get curdled. So yeah, we just have to mix the tempering. That's it. So yes, this curd rice is ready, and you can have it in lunch or dinner or in breakfast as well. It depends upon you. And I like to have it with some chutney and papad. And I'm going to garnish it with some roasted cashew nuts, and it goes really well with curd rice because it has extra chunkiness. So yeah, the curd rice is ready. Do try it once. I hope you will like this recipe also, and it's very easy to make, so you can make it in like in just minutes. So yeah, third recipe I'm just going to share with you is mixed veg rice, and it's very easy to make. And look, the color, it goes like it looks so beautiful. So first I'm just going to heat up some oil. I have added one and half tablespoon oil, and we just have to heat it up properly. Then I'm going to add half tablespoon of jeera, cumin seeds, along with some green chili. Optional hai green chili. If you don't like the flavor or the spiciness, you can skip it. Next I'm going to add some finely chopped onion, and the vegetables whatever I'm using here, these are totally optional. Whatever, whichever vegetable you like, you can add. And if something which you don't like, whatever, like which I have added, if you don't like, you can skip it. And next I'm going to add few chunks of carrot. Okay, it gives the very like the chunkiness to the rice. And next I'm going to add the bell pepper. So here I'm using the red and yellow one. If you like, you can use the green one also. And as you can see, I haven't fried anything so well. We just have to saute it for a couple of minutes. 1 minute of onion, 1 minute with carrot, then next 1 minute, or for couple of seconds, like this. Okay, we don't have to mash it because it will lose the crunchiness or the chunkiness, so which I don't want. Next I added some salt to taste, and after that I have added frozen peas. Again, I'll say the same thing. If you like any vegetable, you can add or you can skip, choice is yours. We just have to mix everything very well. Then I'm going to add some tomato puree. It is the twist for this recipe. It gives the better color to the recipe, and as well as the taste. It changes the entire look and taste. So yeah, I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of tomato puree. That's it. We just have to mix it properly for about 1.5 minutes. That's it. Next I'm going to add some paprika powder and some black pepper powder. That's it. We don't have to add so much spices. If you'll add lots of spices and everything, it will not give you the flavor of vegetables and rice and everything. So yeah, I'm just going to add little bit of spices. That's it. Next I have these leftover rice. It's about like 1.5 cup. That's it. I'm going to squeeze half lemon. It's optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. Mix it well, and then we will just add it into the masala which we prepared here. So the whole process takes somewhere around 8 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes, not more than that. If your rice are ready, it doesn't take much time. We just have to turn off the heat. After adding the rice, we don't have to cook it so well, because the rice is already cooked. So yeah, turn off the heat, make sure, and mix it very well. Now cover it before serving. Just let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. It gives the extra flavor to the rice, and everything will mix so well. So yeah, cover it, and before serving, just add some coriander. And if you like, here you can use some parsley or some rocket leaves as well. I'm just using here coriander. I like the freshness of the coriander, so yeah, just mix it well. And yeah, this mixed veg rice is ready, and trust me, it tastes really nice. It's not all about the color, but yeah, taste is very good. And you can have it with raita. I just love to have it with raita. And today I prepared a raita, like a boiled potato, onion and tomato one. So yeah, it goes really well with that. And yeah, you can have it with papad, chutney, whatever you like. Even you can have dal. So yeah, these all three rice are ready, and this is the part one which I've shared with you all, because I got so many requests like share some recipes for rice or something. So what I thought, best to make a compilation video. So I started a series for that. So yeah, this is the first part. Next part I'll upload soon. And if you have any request, if you want to know any other recipe, do let me in the comment section. I hope you love the recipe and the concept. So yes, it's all about this video. I tried my best to yeah, like tried my best to give you the best actually. So yeah, it's all about this video, and I hope you will enjoy. Please hit the like button, share this recipe with your family friend, and yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy cooking and happy eating. Thank you so much.